Hello there! Welcome back to my channel if you are returning. And if you are new here and first time to come by, welcome to my channel. My name is Carmela Baylon. In this video, I am going to teach you about one of the important rules in creating a sentence, and that is the subject and verb agreement. But before we start, please don't forget to click that subscribe button below and the notification bell so you will always be notified when I upload new videos every week. And of course, you are free to share my videos to your friends or to anyone who needs help with their lessons. Now, let's get into the lesson. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of the important rules that we should remember when we are creating a sentence. It's the subject-verb agreement. So what is subject and verb agreement? It means that the subject and the verb of a sentence must always agree for the sentence to be grammatically correct. We all know that in every sentence, there's a subject and a verb, right? It could be an action verb or a be verb. Now, the basic rules that we need to know about SVA or subject-verb agreement is that if the subject is singular or only one, the verb must be in singular form. So singular subject with singular verb. So kapag singular ang subject, ang verb ay dapat na singular form din. And if the subject is plural or more than one, the verb must be plural. So plural subject needs plural verb. Again, one subject means the verb has S. And many subjects, that means the verb has no S. Isang subject, ang verb ay may S. Maraming subjects, ang verb walang S. Okay? So, you already know that the base form of verbs such as play, like, cook, eat, study are the plural form of verb, right? And to form their singular, we just have to add S or ES. So, they become plays, likes, cooks, eats, and studies. Ang plural form ng verb, walang S. Ang singular form ng verb, may S. We also have the be verb, such as am or is for the singular, and are for plural. So let's try to use the subject and verb agreement. I am going to give you a subject and you choose whether the verb that we should match with the subject should be the singular or the plural form. So first example, we have Sophia. Sophia is only one person, right? So it's singular. So what verb should we use? Play or plays? Since the subject is only one, the verb should be in S form or with S. So therefore, it should be plays. Sophia plays. Next example, we have Miggy. Again, Miggy is only one person. So what should be the form of the verb that we should use? Should it be like or likes? Correct. With S. Likes. Miggy likes. It's easy, right? Next, let's have the subject she. What verb should we use? Study or studies? Again, it's only one subject, so the verb should have S. Studies. She studies. Another example is it. How many is it referring to? We only use it when we are referring to only one thing or one animal. What verb should we use? Smell or smells? Right, smells. It smells. Now, let's use the same verbs, but this time we're going to change the subjects. So this time we have the subject they. What verb should we pair with it? Play or plays? They refers to many people, right? So that means it's plural. Then the verb should have no S, right? So they play. Next subject is we. We refers to many people. So what should be the verb? Like or likes? That's right. We is plural, so the verb has no S. We like. Another is Anna and Tina. What verb should we use? Study or studies? Look at the subjects. How many subjects do we have? We have Anna and Tina. So we have two. And since we have two subjects, therefore our verb should have no S. So it's study. Anna and Tina study. Last one is the flowers. What verb should we use? Smell or smells? Again, look at the subject. It says the flowers. So that means more than one flowers, right? So if we have plural subject, again, the verb should have no S. So, smell. The flowers smell. So let's use these in sentences. Sophia plays a guitar. And they play guitars. You see the difference there? Sophia, only one, plays with S. And they, which is plural, the verb has no S. They play guitars. Next, Miggy likes milk. And we like milk. She studies her lessons. Then, Anna and Tina study their lessons. Do you notice the verb when the subject is singular and the verb when the subject is plural? Another one is, it smells good. And for plural, the flowers smell good. Another example is the subject I. I is singular. But do you remember the rules for I? I mentioned in my previous videos about using I. I follows a different rule when it comes to subject-verb agreement. I is always paired with a be verb am if you're using a be verb. So for example, I am a teacher. Or if you are using an action verb with I, it always takes the base form of the action verb. So for example, the word cook. I cook every day. We don't say cooks. I cooks every day. That's incorrect. I always takes the base form of the verb. So it should be I cook every day. Another one is the subject you. Now, the word you may refer to only one person you are directly talking to or to many people. Pwedeng isa lang o maraming tao ang tinutukoy ng you. But regardless of the number of people it's referring to, the word you is always paired with plural verb. So kahit isa lang o marami ang tinutukoy, kapag gumamit tayo ng you, laging plural verb ang ipapares natin sa kanya. For example, you are amazing. Another is, you use pen for writing. You in this sentence may be referring to only one person or many people. So pwedeng ang tinutukoy ko dito ay isang tao lang. O pwede ring lahat ng estudyante ko ang tinutukoy ko. But regardless of that, we use the base form with the word you. You use pen for writing. So, is subject-verb agreement clear to you now? Get ready for some exercises. In this exercise, you are going to choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. The Philippines is or are in Asia. The correct answer is. The Philippines is only one. It may end in S, but it's only one country. So the Philippines is in Asia. The tourists visits or visit the country every year. The correct answer is visit. Our subject here is the tourists. That's plural. So the correct verb is visit. Katie rides or ride a boat. How many subjects do we have here? It's only one, Katie. So the verb should be in singular form with S. Katie rides a boat. She wants or want to know about the town. The subject is she, singular, so the verb should also be singular with S. She wants to know about the town. The friends buys or buy fruits every day. The subject is the friends. It's plural, so the verb should be in plural form. Buy. The friends buy fruits every day. So how did you do in the exercises? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have some questions about the lesson, please feel free to type them below. So that's all for subject and verb agreement. I hope this video helped you. And if you think this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to click the like icon and don't forget to subscribe and watch out for my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!